customer had a capacity concern, and they also had a sort of labour concern. So they approached us because we manufacture bespoke automotive equipment, turnkey packages, and yeah, that's exactly what we did for them. We've obviously got several components on the machine. So from start to finish, we've got two hopper systems, which one has the actual badges, one has the pins. Those hopper systems feed individual FlexiBowls. The FlexiBowls sort out the components and basically offer them to, or present them so in a pickable way to the actual robots. The actual robots' coordinates are defined by a vision system, and the coordinates are then fed into the robot. The robot then picks the part and places it into a nest where the two parts are married together, and then they're crimped together and then put into an outfeed system. So the FlexiBowl and robot combination, they really do lend themselves to this type of application. They were also selected because of their sort of ease of integration with each other and their speed as well. It's it's a balance between what size you do, getting something big enough but not overspecking it. So yes, that's why they've been selected. Already having the confidence of having completely successful projects with these pieces of equipment, and we also have now got the experience with integrating them. It certainly did make the decision a lot easier on selecting these bits of equipment. We basically approached RAR. We told them our requirements. We asked RAR to sort of do the simulations or run the mathematics on if the equipment is going to achieve what we are. That then gave us the confidence to procure the equipment, and we just then had to integrate it and get it all working together.